All right, so how do we install Monkey Tools? You're actually going to find that it's pretty easy, providing that you don't try to over-engineer the installation process. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, first thing, close Excel. Make sure it's closed before you try to install Monkey Tools. The second thing is, go to the monkeytools.ca website. Do not try to run this from a downloaded installer. That's not the way it's intended to work. So for Monkey Tools, we can scroll down the page until we find the versions. If you decide that you want to sign up for the pro trial, which we encourage you to do, go ahead. You can walk through that process. You'll be emailed some information about installation. But for me right now, I'm going to go straight to just installing the free version. So I'm going to click Install Now. The important thing here, open the link. If you're in Chrome and it's giving you a little thing on the side that says, would you like to run it or download it? You want to run it, do not download it. And when we say open, in this case, it will kick off the installer and I can click the install button. Now, as soon as this install starts, it's actually safe to close the web browser if you want to do so. What we're waiting for though, before we restart Excel, is this message: the Monkey Tools registration succeeded. Once we have that, we can click OK, and we can go and start Excel. When Excel opens, you'll notice we now have a brand new shiny Monkey Tools tab with all kinds of buttons on it. But one important thing, if you got that pro trial license or a pro license, you're not done yet. You need to activate it. And I'm going to cover the steps for that in the next video. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.